What is up? What is up, guys? Today we are making a pretty good paper airplane, and yeah, it's really easy. It's even easier than my other video making a paper airplane. You guys should go check that out. And it might be even better. It's actually rather simple. So first, adjust the camera. You guys can see. You want to start the same as the other. You just want to fold that. So then you open it again, and you do the same thing we did last time. Same thing. So it's gonna, the first fold is like this. Then do the same with the other. Maybe look a little bit crumbled over, but it's gonna look like that. And you do another fold, so this is where it starts to change. And now it's gonna look like this. So yeah, then the other fold will look like. Then you do that on the other side, just like the other fold. Alright, so it's going to look a little bit like this. The tip is definitely messed up from mine, but I know you guys can make it better. So, and then you fold that over. It's going to look a little bit like this. It doesn't look like a paper airplane yet. We are finished. Then you want to make giant wings just like this. And it's going to look like that. Then you cut it on the side. And then try to make the same wing. Then it's going to look like that. Then you put that up a little. And up a little. Look like this. And yeah, that's basically it. Ring test. Oh, that went fast. It's actually pretty good. We're going to go outside for this one. Yeah, it goes great far. And this one took a lot less time. Alright, let's go. See you go. Boy. What the? It went back. I don't know if you guys need to see that. It goes back. Alright. The other one might have been better. I don't really know. I can't really film it that well. Maybe I'll keep on doing it. All right. Okay. Well, that didn't do that well. It's really hard to film that way. Oh! I caught it! Boys and girls, I just actually caught that. You gotta like and subscribe for that. So I just actually caught the paper airplane there. Put it down. And paper airplane away. Oh wait, let's actually try that. Ooh, that was good. You don't want to throw this one as hard, because if you throw it hard, it's going to curve up and not work at all. It's just going to be like you're throwing a ball. All right, guys, that will be it. Bye.